In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Snapchat. Now, if you're a big fan of dark mode and you don't want to use the light mode, here's how to do it. Now, open up your Snapchat, and once the Snapchat is opened, click on your profile and then click on the gear selector icon. From there, you will see under My Account app appearance. Now there are three settings you can choose from: match system, always light, or always dark. If you put it on always dark, and for example your phone is not in dark mode at the moment, no worries, because Snapchat will be in your dark mode. If you want to change it back to like only light, click on the same option. And if you want it to match system basically means if your phone is currently in light mode, it will be in light mode, or if your phone is currently in dark mode, then it will be in dark mode. And that's basically how you do it. So one more time: profile, settings, app appearance, right at the bottom, and then click on whatever you prefer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.